Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an exciting new feature in Filmora that takes your video editing to the next level, AI generated stickers. Let's dive right in and see how you can create custom stickers with just a few clicks. First, make sure you are using the latest version of Filmora. Open the software and start a new project by clicking New Project. Next, go to the stickers section on the left side of the screen. Okay, it's over here. You will see a new option called AI stickers. Click on that to get started. Okay, now this is where the magic happens. You can type in any prompt that describes the kind of stickers you want. Okay, so think of like giving the AI some creative directions like cute cat emojis, vintage camera, a funny reactions face. Okay, so I don't know, in this particular one I just want to go and see maybe floating boat. Okay, that's the one I want to create at this video. Okay, Filmora gives you a few different options, okay, to choose from, like illustration, crystal, vector, sketch, and 3D. Pick one that fits your theme or style, and then click generate. Okay, so let's go, and I think I will stick with the 3D. That's no problem at all, and I'll click generate. Okay, in just a few seconds you will see 4 different sticker options. You can download any of these, okay, and they will be ready to use in your project. Just drag and drop them into your timeline and you're all set to go. Okay, so either you want to download this one, it's going to be downloaded, and you just need to drop it into your timeline and you can start creating. Okay, so I'm going to give you like a few quick tips on how to get the most of this AI sticker. So match your sticker style to your video theme. For example, use fun, bold stickers for vlogs or elegant minimalist designs for marketing videos. Mix and match different stickers to make your content more dynamic. Use stickers to engage your audience. Try adding prompts that encourage viewers to leave comments like rate this video or what's your favorite part. Okay, so I think that's it in this video. That's the option I want to show you. Okay, creating custom stickers in Filmora has never been easier. This feature is perfect for adding a personal touch to your videos without spending hours searching for the right graphics. So you can go ahead, update your Filmora, and start playing around with the AI stickers today. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new features, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, okay, and video tips. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.